Hey guys, how you doing? It's Mitchell here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do some comparisons just for cruise lines though. I got an email about a month ago from Johnny. Now this is cool. Johnny was one of my first subscribers and I met him on my second Princess cruise a year and a half ago. It was really cool, really great thing. We talked and everything. Anyway, so he sends me some advice here and there like, hey, can you do this? Can you do that? So today our packages or four drink packages for four different cruise lines. Now I know there's over like 15 different lines out there, but I did the top four that I always see, okay? So here we go. The first one's going to be the Princess, of course, right? The Princess drink package. There's two of them. One is called the Plus package, okay? The Plus package as of today is $65 for the Plus package plus a gratuity. So it's about $76 per day for this package here. The second one they offer you for Princess is called the Premier package, right? $85 per day plus the 18% gratuity. It's about $100 a day for that package for the Princess, all right? Let's keep on going. Carnival, all right? So Carnival has a call a pre-board package, which is $60 a day, about $60 a day, right? With an 18% gratuity as well. So that's about $71 per day for that, okay? $71 for that package, but they also have a deal where once you get on the ship and then you get this package, it costs a little bit more, right? So once you get on the ship and then you purchase your package, it's $65 a day. So compared to the pre-board at $59, now it's $65 a day, 18% gratuity, which is what? $75 per day, all right? So we keep on going here, guys. Also, too, at this point here, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. This is a fun channel, you know. If you guys have any advice, you want to share something with me, put it in the comments. It's a really fun community. We're talking about cruising and traveling, right? That should be always fun, of course, right? Let's keep on going. MSC, I was on one of the maiden voyages of MSC 2 years ago now almost, so I like the MSC ships also. So the MSC has three different packages. Easy package, they call it, $49 for the easy package at a 15% gratuity. It's about $57 a day, okay? Second one is called their Easy Plus. Ooh, Easy Plus, right? $64 a day with a 15% gratuity. That's about $74 a day, okay? And then they have what they call a Premium Extra, okay? That one's at $88 per day at a 15% gratuity. It's about $101 per day for this MSC package, all right? And the last one, drum roll please, for the top four, right? Norwegian. Norwegian's a little bit different than the other ones I was doing some research on, okay? But Norwegian has what they call an unlimited open bar package. This is $109 per day, $109 per day. But they also have what they call this free at sea offer too, right? Free at sea offer. So if you take Norwegian, look it up, or I can do a video for you as well if you want, okay? And the other option for Norwegian is called the Premium Plus Beverage Package. Now this one is $138 a day. Now this is like unlimited. It's just you get almost anything you want for the $138 a day. But understand though, they both come with a gratuity at 20%. Okay, you guys. Now those are just the top four. I don't want to ramble all day, take your guys' time. You know, my videos are short and to the point. A little bit fun too as well, right? So I do want to tell you, I appreciate all my new subscribers. Thank you very much. It's very kind of you. In the comments, if you want to see other videos about traveling, cruising, whatever, I like cruising the best, right? Cruising is my thing, you know? And so that's my thing. And if you want advice there, you have some questions about cruising, whatever, some direction, whatever, let me know. I'll make a video. Last thing too, someone did ask me last week, Mitchell, why do you like cruising so much? The first thing why, the biggest thing why? Because I can turn off my phone, you know? And no one can contact me, you know. I mean, you know, my generation, I'm in my 50s now. So I was raised in a time where there weren't cell phones, you know. We used to play outside, climb trees, you know, fall down on our faces with no elbow pads or knee pads, you know, different time, right? I'm gonna drink out of the hoses of people's yards, you know, a whole different time, of course, right? So my favorite thing, because I'm of that generation, I like to be untethered whenever I can, right? And so my favorite thing, and I was Jacqueline from Mississippi did ask me, she said, what's my favorite thing about cruising? And that's what it is, to be unattached, you know, to be no cell phone, right? Off the grid, you know? So if you guys feel the same, let me know in the comments also, what is your favorite thing about cruising, okay? And also too, I'll have some essentials down below. You click down below for some essentials you might need for your next awesome, beautiful cruise, all right? Take care, you guys. Bye-bye.